Start करिए. Okay. Okay. Welcome everyone. Welcome to our questionnaire session in Vanik IAS. So here again we'll discuss the Indian geography part, where it is very much pivotal to know the question oriented that are asking from last 2 years, and this year it is more analytical along with the factual base. Let's discuss now, and as I said earlier also, we will discuss the question answers after every 2 successive questions. Okay, after every 2 successive questions we will discuss the answers. First question is that which region in India is known as the rice bowl of India? Rice bowl of India. That is your Indo-Gangetic Plain, Krishna Godavari Delta, Northeast region, Kerala and Tamil Nadu region. Indo-Gangetic Plain, Krishna Godavari Delta, Northeast region, and Kerala and Tamil Nadu region. Particularly Kerala and Tamil Nadu region. So here it is your Krishna Godavari Delta region. We will discuss this one. Next, the Duncan Passage is situated in between. Duncan Passage is situated in between Minicoy, Amnitibi, Minicoy, Maldives, Little Andaman and Car Nicobar, South Andaman and Little Andaman. South Andaman and Little Andaman. So your answer is it is South Andaman and Little Andaman. B and D. B is Krishna Godavari Delta, here South Andaman and Little Andaman. We will discuss in elaborate. Krishna Godavari Delta region jodi dekhiye in India, Andhra Pradesh and the Krishna Godavari Delta region is called Rice Bowl of India. The Rice Bowl of India is the state of Andhra Pradesh. It has historically held that distinction, and within Andhra Pradesh it is the East Godavari district that can be called Rice Bowl of Andhra. East Godavari district, historically it is known as your Rice Bowl of your Andhra. Historically East Godavari district in Andhra Pradesh. This is East Godavari district. South Andaman और Little Andaman देखिए होते. Duncan Passage is a strait in the Indian Ocean. जोड़ा कि Duncan Passage जोटा अच्छी तुम्हारा South Andaman, Little Andaman. तो तुम बेटी देखिए भी this is your this is your North Andaman, this is your Middle Andaman, this is your South Andaman, and this is your Little Andaman. Duncan Passage is this one. This is your Duncan Passage. It is around 48 km wide. This is around 48 km wide. It separates Rutland Island to the north and the Little Andaman to the south. West Duncan Passage is the Bay of Bengal, particularly. East is the Andaman Sea. East is the Andaman Sea. Several small islands and islets along the passage. Several small islands and islets lie along the passage. Next, which of the following geographical term related with naturally formed narrow, typically navigable waterway that connects 2 larger bodies of water? Narrow, typically navigable waterway that connects 2 larger bodies of water. Peninsula, Gulf, Strait and Island. Narrow, typical navigable waterway that connects 2 larger bodies of water. That is your strait. Answer is your C. Strait. Which of the following is suitable definition of archipelago? Archipelago suitable definition की a circular coral reef that encloses a shallow lagoon, a chain or set of islands grouped together, the plant and animal life on the earth, none of them. The answer is your archipelago. Chain or set of islands that group together. Strait जदि देखिए, strait is a narrow waterway joining two larger bodies of water. Joining two larger bodies of water. The Strait of Gibraltar is an example that connects the Mediterranean Sea with the Atlantic Ocean. This is your Gibraltar Strait. This is your Gibraltar. Gibraltar Strait. The connect kochi. This is your Mediterranean Sea with your Atlantic Ocean. A narrow strip of sea that links two larger areas of sea. Next 4B liquid, that is your a chain or set of islands grouped together. An archipelago it's sometimes called the islands group or island chain. It's a chain or cluster of collection of islands. Sometimes a sea containing small number of scattered islands. Indonesian archipelago, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Japanese archipelago, and the Philippines archipelago. Japanese and the Philippines archipelago. Strait channel जदि हम देखिए, this is your Park Strait. For example, this is Sri Lanka. This is your Park Strait. This is your Bay of Bengal, and this is your Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. So Park Strait connects your Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean. Archipelago जोटा कि हम example देले, Indonesian archipelago, Andaman Nicobar Islands, Japanese archipelago, Philippines archipelago. Next, which among the following is the largest archipelago in the world? Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Malaysia, Indonesia, Maldives. Largest archipelago जदि हम देखिए, Indonesian archipelago. Indonesian archipelago is the largest archipelago in the world. Which of the following is the world's largest peninsula? The largest peninsula: India, South Africa, Arabia, and both hand. Largest peninsula. And that is your it is the Arabian Peninsula. Indonesia, it is the largest archipelago in the world. Is the Indonesian archipelago, which is located within the Malay archipelago between the Indian and Pacific Oceans. Between the Indian and Pacific Oceans. According to the Indonesian Coordinating Ministry of Maritime Affairs, this archipelago is made up of 17,504 islands. And another National Institute of Aeronautics and Space, they have studied that the number of islands is near about 8.5k, 18,500 approximate. So we can say Indonesia is a cluster of islands and it is the largest archipelago in the world. Next, Arabia. Arabia Peninsula is Earth's largest, spanning near about 12 lakh 50,000 square miles. It connects to the mainland of Asia and is surrounded by the Persian Gulf, Red Sea, and the Arabian Sea on three sides, and as well as the other side bodies of water. Asia connects to the mainland Asia, Arabian part. And also there is a connection to Africa continent. And if I see there, then Africa continent could be this is connected, this one through Sinai Peninsula. Seventh, which of the following has been created by the Indus River? Indus River the KH, Rohtang Pass, Nathula Pass, Barlacha Pass, and Banihal Pass. Nathula, Rohtang, Nathula, Barlachala, and Banihal Pass. Indus River is created. It is your Banihal Pass. BNH. Banihal Pass has been created by the Indus River. Which passes make way to the land route between Kailas and Mansarovar? Between the Kailas and Mansarovar. Land route. Manna Pass, Rohtang Pass, Nathula Pass, and Baralacha Pass. Manna, Rohtang, Nathula, and Baralacha Pass. Between Kailas, Mansarovar, and and Kailas and Mansarovar. It is your Manna Pass A. Manna Pass. Banihal Pass, Banihal Pass is at near about 2832 meter elevation. The Pir Panjal Mountains connects Banihal with Kwazidan on the other side of the mountain. The Pir Panjal mountain ranges separates the Kashmir Valley in the Indian state of Jammu Kashmir from the outer Himalaya and plains to the south. Okay. Okay. Manna Pass, Manna Pass was the ancient trade route between Tibet and India via Uttarakhand. It led from Badrinath to Gach town in Tibet. Manna Pass, it is ancient trade route between Tibet and India via Uttarakhand. It led from Badrinath to Gach town in Tibet. The trade route was fully functional till 1951. 1951 it is completely functional. Okay, it was shut down by the Chinese. In 1954, the agreement was signed between the India and China that allowed pilgrims and other travelers to travel through this path. There is an agreement in 1954 to sign between India and China that allowed pilgrims and other travelers to travel through this path. Manna Pass, Tibet to via Uttarakhand. Which of the following pass links Srinagar to Leh? Srinagar to Leh, Manna Pass, Rohtang Pass, Nathula Pass, Zojila Pass. Srinagar and Leh. It is your Zojila Pass. Zojila Pass, that connects Srinagar to Leh. Next, which of the following has the largest river basin in India? The Indus, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, and the Krishna. Largest river basin in India, it is your it is Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra, and Krishna. So answer is your, it is your Ganga. The Zojila, a high mountain pass in the Himalayas in the Indian Union Territory of Ladakh. Zojila is a high mountain pass. High mountain pass in the Himalayas in the Indian Union Territory of Ladakh, located in the Dras. The pass connects Kashmir Valley to its west with the Dras and Suru Valley to the northeast and Indus Valley in the further east. Zojila is a high mountain pass in the Himalayas in the Indian Union Territory of Ladakh, located in the Dras sector of Jammu Kashmir. The pass connects Kashmir Valley to its west to the Dras and Suru Valley in the northeast and the Indus Valley to the further east. The National Highway 1 NH1 between Srinagar and Leh in the western sections of the Himalaya mountain range traverses the pass. National Highway 1 between Srinagar and Leh. since vehicle flow stops during winter every year, vehicle flow stops during winter every year due to heavy snowfall, the all-weather Jojila tunnel is now constructed to mitigate this. Ganga विषय लिखिए. The Ganga River Basin, which is 10,80,000 square kilometer. The Ganga River is the most sacred river in India of the Ganga Basin, the Vistro of India, and the Ganga Basin is the most fertile for agriculture also. The Ganga Basin. Then we have a basin wise देखिए India आउ की बड़ो. Then Godavari River Basin, second rank. Then Brahmaputra, third. Then Krishna, fourth. Then fifth Indus. Second राशि तो हम जान ले गंगा पर आसी गोदावरी, then Krishna, then Brahmaputra, then Krishna, then your Indus. Next, which among the following rivers is not part of Panchnad? The Ravi, Indus, Jhelum, Chenab. Then your answer is your Indus. Indus माने Panchnad माने confluence of Panch, 5 confluence of rivers. So Indus रा tributary माने एटा बने जल्दी Indus रा left bank tributaries माने, which among the following? Don't worry, we'll discuss which of the following rivers flows in a rift valley: the Son, the Yamuna, the Narmada, and the Luni. Rift valley जो देखिए वो it is your Narmada. See. Panchnad River is formed by successive confluence or merger of the 5 rivers of the Punjab, namely Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Bees, and Satluj. Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Bees, and Satluj. Panchnad area is located in Punjab, Pakistan. It is an agriculture area near Uch Bhavalpur, and it is where all the 5 rivers of the Punjab merge. Uch Bhavalpur, it is all the 5 rivers are merged. It is a beautiful picnic point and is known as its fresh place. Panchnad area means Punjab in Pakistan. Narmada विषय कहो, the Narmada River in India that flows in a rift valley flowing west between the Satpura and Vindhya range. Satpura Vindhya Vitarashti. The other rivers which flow through the rift valley include Damodar River in Chotanagpur Plateau and Tapti. Tapti यदि देखिए तो Tapti River and Mahi River also flows through a rift valley. Tapti and Mahi also flows through a rift valley, but between different ranges. But between different ranges. Tapti and Mahi. Next, consider the following statements related to the Vishnu Prayag. It is one of the Panch Prayag or 5 confluences of Alkananda River and lies at the confluence of Alkananda River and Dholi Ganga River. Confluence of Alkananda and Dholi Ganga River. Alkananda River in Chamoli district in the Indian state of Uttarakhand. Chamoli district of Indian state of Uttarakhand. The place of confluence of Alkananda and the Bhagirathi. It is the place of Alkananda and Bhagirathi. It is the KBB, it is the Prayag. Arala Panch Prayag, 5 confluences of Alkananda River lies at the confluence of Alkananda Dholi Ganga River. One of the Panch Prayag. It is correct. Chamoli district, Uttarakhand. So only one is correct. A. Next, consider the following statements related to the storms during hot weather season. Hot weather season. Mango showers. Since the rain showers are good for the mango trees, occurs along the coast of Kerala. Then Lu is the name given to the hot, dry winds blowing the north plains. Hot, dry winds blowing the northern plains. It is very much common in Punjab, Haryana, Western UP, and Bihar. Right? This is very much common. Yes, it is correct. It is very much common. Right? And the hot dry wind that blow in your Punjab, Haryana, northern province. It is very common in Punjab. Yes, that is correct. It is very common in Punjab, Haryana, Western UP, and called Andhi. So it is also called as Andhi. So here both are correct. Mango showers, mango occurs in the coast of Kerala during hot weather season. So here जब हम देखिए in the along the coast of Kerala, also in the Tamil Nadu and Kerala also. Okay, both are correct. It देखिए जब Vishnupurag derives from the name Vishnu. According to Hindu scriptures, it is the place where the sage Narada meditated, and after which Vishnu appeared before him. It is near to Kagbhusundi Lake. It is near to your Kagbhusundi Lake. Both 1 and 2 देखिए these rains normally occur from March to April. Although their arrival is often difficult to predict. Their intensity can range from light showers to heavy and persistent thunderstorm. Light to heavy and persistent thunderstorm. In India, the mango showers occur as a result of thunderstorm development over the Bay of Bengal. Thunderstorm development over the Bay of Bengal. Mango showers is the name of the pre-monsoon showers. Pre-monsoon showers in Karnataka, Kerala, Konkan, and Goa. Karnataka, Kerala, Konkan, and Goa. That help in the ripening of mangoes. They are also known as April rains or summer showers. Consider the following statements about southwest monsoon. Consider the following statements regarding the southwest monsoon in India. The bulk of rainfall is received during this season in almost every part of India except Tamil Nadu. Blossom showers with this shower. Coffee flowers blossom in Karnataka and its nearby area. The southwest monsoon racing in almost every part of Tamil Nadu except every part of India except Tamil Nadu. This is absolutely correct. The blossom shower in this shower, coffee flower blossoms in Karnataka and its nearby states. No, it is not wrong. This is not correct. Thank you. Blossom showers, blossom shower, it is basically pre-monsoon shower. It is not in southwest monsoon. Hence, statement 2 is wrong. 1 is correct only. Answer is A. Then which of the following latitude is the standard meridian of India? It is 82 degree 30 minute east. C. A and C. Southwest monsoon period is the principal rainy seasons for Indian subcontinent. This is the summer monsoon period where the southwest monsoon holds away over the country. The whole country receives nearly 75% of its rainfall during this period. Southwest monsoon total country 75% of rainfall during this southwest monsoon. India, that means India receives 75% of its rainfall from southwest monsoon. The southwest monsoon sets in over the extreme southwest tip of the peninsula by the end of the May. जदि आम देखा केरला कोस्ट रे साउथवेस्ट मानसून प्रथम आसिकी बाड़े होची एठी केरला कोस्ट दैट इज नियर अबाउट योर फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ May by last week of May or by first week of June एठी बाड़े होची. Then धीरे धीरे इटा सबसिड करी then it is spread with 15th July. 82 degree 30 minutes यदि देखिए it is the standard meridian time of India. 82 degree 30 when it's east of the Greenwich meridian. This meridian passes through the city Allahabad. It runs through the center of the country. Center of the country. In 1905, the longitude was selected as the meridian to create the Indian Standard Time. Meridian to create the Indian Standard Time. It passes through UP, MP, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. UP, MP, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. It passes through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. It passes through Mirzapur in UP. मिर्जापुर जदि क्वेश्चन है तुमरो इलाहाबाद माने देइची मिर्जापुर देइची गो फॉर मिर्जापुर जदि मिर्जापुर देनी देन यू कैन गो फॉर योर इलाहाबाद दैट इज हैला ठीक है इफ इट इज इन मिर्जापुर देन इट इज करेक्ट ना जदि मिर्जापुर देइची इफ इट इज मिर्जापुर then you first go for first priority this one. If Mirzapur is not there, you will go for Allahabad. This should be your second choice. Second choice. First choice right hala tomorrow Mirzapur. All are in UP. Both are in UP. Both are in UP. Next question देखिए which of the following places receives highest rainfall in the world? Highest rainfall की होची सिलचर, चेरापूंजी, माइसिनराम, गुवाहाटी. Highest rainfall in the world. Highest rainfall in the world, if you see, it is your माइसिनराम, that is C. In Meghalaya. माइसिनराम is in Meghalaya. माइसिनराम is in Meghalaya. ठीक है we'll discuss this one. Maisinnam. What is the local name of the wind blowing in the northern plains? Blowing in the northern plains. Local wind of the name blowing in the northern plains. Kala Baisakhi, trade winds. Kala Baisakhi, trade winds. Lu, none of the above. Your answer is your C. It is Lu. Basically Lu. We'll discuss this one. Maisinnam is here average annual rainfall is near about 11,871 mm, or we can say it is near about 1200 centimeter approximate. I can say that 1200 approximate 1200 centimeter. The place that records the highest rainfall on the earth in Maisinnam. Earth रे Maisinnam रे जोटी जितनी वर्षा हुए वर्ल्ड रे को जगह इतने वर्षा हुए नहीं located in the Meghalaya in India. It located only 15 kilometers from the Cherrapunji. Villagers in Maisinnam use grass to soundproof their huts from deafening rain. Rain को करिया पे that pelts their homes during the rainy seasons. Pelts the homes during the rainy season. Lu के विषय देखो. Lu is the hot dry wind in the northern plains of India called Lu. Is the name which is provided to the wind which blows in the month of May and June. Which blows in the month of May and June in the northern plains basically. Blow in the northern plains in the month of May and June. The boiling heat with the temperature near about 45 to 50 degrees centigrade. Boiling heat देखो, it is near about 45 to 50 degrees centigrade, which causes sunstroke and is fatal to health. Lu जदि हमें देखियो, it is basically तुम्हारा राजस्थान का third desert cross. Let me make it diagram. this is I am making, this is the path of blue. This is the path of blue. ये जो area टा जो आसছে particularly, this area is your third desert. This is the path of blue. This is the path of blue. Blue रो path रेटा basically. Our third desert रेटा बाहरी की till जब हम देखिए maximum blue रो intensity टा को state रे बेसी रहा है. Blue रो intensity जब हम देखिए blue रो intensity your Rajasthan, Haryana, UP, of course Delhi, then intensity टा Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Odisha, then Telangana, pockets of your Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, जब हम देखिए लू रो main effect है near about 10-11 places रे बेसी रो states and UTs including दिल्ली को नहीं बहुत ज़्यादा एटी फील हुए तमरो लू and because of लू है ना इंडिया जो देखिए maximum fatals happens in your Haryana, UP है ना झारखंड, बिहार, ओडिशा रे include है ना West Bengal. This is because of the this लू रो intensity है ना intense, I can write intense temperature. Which intense temperature. Which are the following region of rainfall during winters in the northwestern part of India? In the northwestern part of India. Cyclonic depressions, western disturbances, irritating monsoons, southwest monsoon. Okay? Following region of rainfall during winters in the northwest part of India. Okay? Winters in the northwestern part of India. India northwestern part. Okay? It is mainly your western disturbances. Which of the following factor is characteristics we will discuss by cold weather season in India? Warm days, warm nights, warm days, cool nights, cool days, cold nights, cool days and warm nights. Huh? Warm days, warm nights, warm days, cool nights. Warm days and cold nights. Warm days and the cold nights. Western disturbances Western disturbances cause rainfall during the winter in the northwestern part of India. This is the pattern driven by the westerlies. This is the pattern driven by the westerlies. Western disturbances are important to the development of rabi crop. It is the development of rabi crop in the northern subcontinent. Particularly northern subcontinent your western disturbances, they are basically famous for your rabi crop. Rabi crop जो हमारा हुए mainly basically for your wheat cultivations में rabi crop is famous, and western disturbances major it gives art to this. It is locally important for the staple wheat. Wheat cultivation time it is mainly. Western disturbances are good for your mainly wheat cultivation. Wheat cultivation also is that one your mustard cultivation, then wheat gala, mustard gala, then your vegetables, etc. Warm days, cold nights. The cold weather season in India begins during mid-November in northern India and stays till February. December and January are the coldest month here. During the cold season, the days are warm and nights are cold. During the cold season, days are warm and nights are cold. Northern parts of India experience cool days and cool nights. Northern parts of India, they experience cold days and cool nights particularly. India basically, since we are having a tropical country, it is but very obvious कि दिन बड़ा हमको गरम होगा, hot and humid, and as after sunset as it approaches, so your cold feels, cooling feels, and because of this cooling, because of this coolings we generally feel the cold nights. Means कहीं हमारे जदि हम इंडिया रे देखिबा मेनलैंड रे 8 डिग्री रु 30 डिग्री पर्यंत हमारा रोची ट्रॉपिकल, it is 8 degree to 30 degree tropical, 30 to 37 हमारा है temperate. Next, last question. Consider the following statements related to Himalayan range. It is the highest mountain range in the world, extending 2500 kilometer, 2500 kilometer over the northern India. Is correct. Bounded by Indus River in the west, Brahmaputra in the east, and the three parallel ranges, that is the Himadri, Himachal, and Sivaliks, have deep canyons gushed by the rivers flowing to the Gangetic plain. Deep canyons gurges. This is by the Gangetic plain. This is also correct. Statement that correct, both are correct. The 2500 kilometer Himalaya, it is completely length, 2500 kilometer. And Himadri, Himachal, and Sivaliks. These are the three stages. Both 1 and 2 are correct. The Himalayan range, Mughali, is one of the youngest mountain range on the planet. Himalayan range is the youngest mountain ranges of the planet and consists mostly of uplifted sedimentary and metamorphic rock. They are the mostly consist of uplifted sedimentary and metamorphic rocks. According to the modern theory of plate tectonics, it is the formation which is a result of continental collision or orogeny along the convergent boundary. So, Himalaya, that is main Himalayan thrust between the Indo-Australian plate and Eurasian plate. Then this is your Indo and this is your Indo-Australian plate and your Eurasian plate. Indo-Australian plate particularly. So this plate, this is one plate particularly. जो plate गोटे, this plate, ये plate टा बाड़े हो चुका सर, ये एपड़ू ठेलुची, okay, आउ ऊपरू तमरा Eurasian plate, this is, आउ Eurasian plate, Europe plus Asia, ये जो plate, Eurasia plate तक पहुँच, है ना, ये कौन कुछ एपड़ू एमान को ठेलुची, Eurasian plate, ये एपड़ ठेलुची, से सेपड़ ठेलुची, मझरे एठी आगुर कौन तला, Tethys Sea, है ना, Tethys Sea, ए sea रे sediment रू तमरा Himalaya has completed, built, Tethys Sea sediments, है ना, so this was the main story, जोटा कि तमरा how the Himalayan has formed, particularly Himalaya formed हेतला, mainly ए region जो कि ए जो Tethys Sea रे sediments रू, है ना, ये जो Indo-Australian plate, this is called your Indo this is called your Indo-Australian plate This is called your Indo-Australian plate. How एमाने जाएंगे यूरोप और एशिया है ना यूरेशियन प्लेट सेठी जाएंगे से माने जागितले यूरेशियन प्लेट रे Indo-Australian plate and this is your Eurasian plate. Okay, and that was the thing that how the Himalayas are plated. ठीक है, so आज मैं इतनी will again meet. Hope this sessions is useful है ना जो हम discussions कर ले. ठीक है, so thank you all of you.